She's wanting to ride.
Go. I'm going to make a little video. Breathing.
I'll be busy. I'll be busy. I'll be working slower. Yay! Woo-wee! Woo-wee! What are you doing? Watch your fishing on top. You want off? Come on.
Come on, Sissy.
She's hanging on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Sissy, what is that?
What is that?
Yay!
You want to see it? Hold on to it. Let me move back.
Let her go.
Now, run this second. You're going to get her down. Look at Mommy.
Yay!